Hello, welcome to Air and Oil Company's video blog. We're going to spend a little bit of time this afternoon talking about our new digital tank monitoring. All of our customers have some type of storage tank that they use to collect their products in, and it seems over the years have been a source of inefficiency, and we've just launched a new technology. Just want to ask you a little bit about that, Dan.
Well, we're working with a really great group called SmartBin. And these guys have come up with a cellular gauge, wireless, and it's doing a really interesting job. We started using this in 2015, and we're working with them on a research study, and it's already showing, though, that this can keep tanks from having overflows, and something that we've seen over the years can be pretty bad. If you have an overflowing tank in a bad place, it can really result in a costly spill. And so this allows a lot of different things. Everything from monitoring the tanks, very easy to install. It constantly is telling not only the customer but as well as our dispatchers what's in the tank at all times, so that they can see it as it fills up. There's no guesswork anymore. You can run reports off of the activity of the tank. The tank can show the routing. It'll automatically route our trucks and show the best, most efficient ways to pick up the oil. And then you can look back and run reports, so you can see how long it takes to fill up, how long it takes to get emptied, and all of this data is gathered out there as well. So customers can review that, we can review that, right. And you can run a host of reports, and eventually this technology can help dispatch these trucks automatically for trucks that have onboard computers, and that's going to be another big efficiency to make sure that customers are serviced without experiencing those costly overflows, whether we pay for it or they pay for it. It's really neat, the fact that a customer, our team can actually pull it up on their cell phone. Wow. And actually check on those tanks to see when they need to be serviced, and they're very easily installed. You got, as you can see, there's nothing that sticks out. It's a very low key type device with no wiring or anything. It's really going to be so far it's been very, very effective in what we're doing.
Wow. So before SmartBin, we've always been committed to best practice and best technology. What was the best practice before SmartBin came?
Well, we had very sophisticated mathematical equations, sort of almost like artificial intelligence in our software that basically would calculate the gallons generated per day between pickups. And that would give us a way to schedule the trucks without having those overflows. And we've been very effective with that. This is now taking that from, because I look back at at that and the way we used to do it. And if you have a customer has a sale and they actually generate more oil, they can still have an overflow because it's not always perfect. This is real time, and that's really the difference.
Wow, that's fantastic. Well, we're looking forward to seeing that continuing to play out down the line. Thank you guys for joining us.